yourself in those, mathematical formula. Kasi law siya, it's a law.
Ikuyom ang kalituhan sa iyong nabubugnot na isipan. Itakwil ang mga bagabag. Iudyo ang kanlungan ng habag.
Paano ko daw ipapamati sa imo na padangat ka? Na ika nagpapaimbong kan sa kong pandesal, na ika nagpapapresko kan sa kong Coca-Cola, na binabalik-balikan ko pa sa tindahan. Paano mo daw ako matutumo yan? Itong makaulay ka, dawa madali sana. Di man ako napapakakita, gastos lang yan.
Para kay Zara na nagpasiring sa dali. Kung paano sa masyanong paagi mo ako mabasa mo ini. Bago ang padagos, tiklupon mo ini asin magpasiring ka sa imong kwarto. Asin kunyahan ka na naman, luhay mong buklaton ining surat, siring sa pagbiglat kan sa kuyong puso para sa iyo.
And at the end, spoken softly, hauntingly tender though not, devoid of irony, and yet ending abruptly as if there's more.
Kung ika'y hindi ikaw, ay narito ka pa sana. Ni Bumendel yan. Kung may kaunting tayong lamang sa iyong mga mata, kung may bahid lamang ng itim sa iyong puso, kung mabilis-bilis ka sanang pumisil ng gatilyo, narito ka pa sana. Pero ika'y ikaw. Ika'y ikaw. Ikaw ay ikaw. At ika'y wala na rito.
Chico and Raymond, permi sa debate na nahamon, ang mga inuulayan hararon, alagad ang pag-uswag kan gabos, papasabuton.
Nagtatawaginting kada wasiwas sa gapu na mayong nanawgun. Minadulot na biyog sa pisngi, ang tagas at init kanadog. Sinusugid ang hinangos, sagkod na sa iyang kamot. Nabuhay si mga tatawaman. In loving memory of, from your loving family, sa gabat kan sa kong daghan, asin mga rekwerdo, sa tahaw kan bangging matunino. Ngunyan, sasanglian ko na ini ng mga buhat asin lapida. Sa unang pagpindig ng pulso sa puso, tulang araw ang buhay sa universo ng laman. Iikutan ang atom ng lakas ng elektron at didilat ang nucleus ng musmus na dugo. Sisipa ng sigla ang mitochondrion at kuyong nakamaw ang bagsit ng lysosome. Sasabay sa linda at himig ng dibdib ang mumunting sayaw ng mga kromosome. Ang patgumayhid lang humapao kamakal o kaya naman ay mahiglang lumapis. Tutulis ang mga ngipin at hahaba ang kuko. Lalapad ang braso at balahibo ay tungo. Sa ligtaan ng hibla ay susunod ang hanay. Nostrils, fibrosal at adiposa. Lalapatan ang laman ng hindi ng pag-ina. Sa diferensyasyon ng utak, baga at atay. Sa kaunang iluluwal sa liwanag ng bagong tao. At iiyak sa unang pag-aplos ng simoy. He died looking before. Heard the cry of hungry ghetto children. Heard the warning from Harlem. Heard the gospel, there's new roots, new people. He died in the 4 cities, 8 floors. He was already dead. He never really lived. Uptown, midtown, Rocktown, his body was found all over town. Taking the ball to $25 per pair of shoes. Taking the ball to sell it right Vegas without children. Taking the ball to town to go for a Jeep. Or taking 2 walks in the park with some chipa chipa. Dum, 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 dum. He died. He died taking the ball from the most of dying system. The most of dying system. The most of dying system. He wanted lawyer TV. He wanted silk suit. He wanted the court to come down like a British actor and take the world serious. He wanted. He wanted to want for one. He never gave. He never gave his heart to his people. He never gave his love to his children. He never gave his heart to his people. He never gave heart to his people. He never gave his heart to his people because he was busy in the cause, busy perfecting his voice to harmonize the national anthem parody and busy perfecting his chat talk shows so his grandparents wouldn't show. Busy perfecting his Viva la Policía speech. Uptown, his son, uptown, his body was found all over town. Found in the battlefields of an old team. Found in the battlefields of the GDP. His legs were left in Vietnam. His arms were bound in Simpson. His gun from the Nixon snap. His blood stained the streets of the ghetto. His eyes were still looking for Jesus to come down from some clouds that made everything okay. When Jesus died in Africa, his brains were plastered all around the frames in the Pentagon. His voice still yelling stars and stripes forever. Riddle! With police bullets inside his box. He died thinking that no one's ticking. Ain't all. He died yesterday. He's dying today. He's dead tomorrow. He died in the course in front of him. The course in his speech. The course in his skin. The course in his blood. But he died. He died kept down on the line but never found his course because you see. He never knew that he was dead. law siya, it's a law. So it's better to, before actually indulging in writer's workshop, you must know yourself, you must know why you are writing the work. You can get lost, for example, they will tell you things na harap or things na harap mo na, and then pwede ka masilaw sa mga bagay-bagay na ino-offer nila sa imo, like mga awards, ano? That will make you lose yourself. Then, dapat you have to know that yourself, why you're writing the first place.